Hey fellow traders, following successful signals last days, I'm going to share another profitable one on gold or XAU. Subscribe Porsage Forex Academy channel to receive our daily signals.
Are you a trader? Aren't you profitable yet? Do you need a free economic calendar? In MetaTrader 4, go to Market tab and search for Porsage. You can use Porsage News utility for free.
Thank you for your kind attention. Porsage Forex Academy is dedicated to providing you with weekly Forex and crypto analysis and forecast. Stay informed with our daily Forex and crypto signals. Support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing to receive our valuable signals and analysis.